I'm Susie.
I'm Lily.
I'm Mikey.
And today we're doing Elephant Toothpaste. And the items that you'll need is a tablespoon, 2 food colorings, measuring cups, these sucker uppers, I don't know their name.
It's
A plastic spatula, cups where you're gonna do the elephant toothpaste in.
sodium bicarbonate,
Water.
and water.
Soap and vinegar.
Which you don't need a big jug for.
Yeah, and a tablespoon.
You said that first.
Oh really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I didn't hear. And
A tray.
same one we used last time. So first you have to grab your baking soda, also called like.
Sodium bicarbonate.
So then you take out your
Plastic spatula.
and you take 2 scoops.
Then you do this.
and put it in each cup. So you get to do it first because her cup is first. So take 2 spoonfuls and pour it in your cup. It's okay if you make a little mess. That's what the tray's for.
Yeah. That's why in most experiments you need a tray.
Yep.
So you don't make a
Next.
mess.
Okay.
And to make it easier so you don't have to dump it out, you just do this, what Lily's doing.
Your turn, Mikey.
Okay.
So just sideways and scoop. I wonder how the elephant toothpaste would react.
Mm-hmm. Hey, the food coloring is kind of the same colors of our cups.
Mm-hmm.
Because this is going to be red.
I have blue.
This is going to be blue and red.
That's gonna be
It's
purple.
blue.
And I spilled baking soda once again. Sorry.
It's okay. How many scoops did you do? 1 or 2?
2.
Okay, good.
Okay. That's so we're gonna be doing 2 spoonfuls.
of the soap.
So Susie gets to go first, as we did with the baking soda.
Yes. Make
And you
sure
have to
you
do
pour it slowly and over the cup.
So you don't
Over
make
the
a
middle of
mess.
the cup. Okay. Oh, that's okay. Okay. 2.
Okay.
Ugh.
One. 2. Mikey, your turn.
Okay.
Over the cup.
Okay. One.
That looks perfect. Final one.
Now be very careful with this step and make sure it's over the cup so you don't spill soap, because this stuff can be hard to clean up. Okay. And let's move on to the next step.
So for this step, we're gonna have, you need water, then you need this measuring cup,
And
mix at 25
milliliters of water in there. Then you pour it in your cup. A little more. Done. Okay, that's enough. Then you pour it into your cup and you slowly Stir
Mix
it.
it.
And try not to make a lot of foam while doing this. Because remember, this experiment is elephant toothpaste and we haven't added all the contents yet.
Okay, now I will pour 25 milliliters of water into this, then into my cup. Okay, where's the measuring thing?
That's enough.
Oh, let me pour a little out.
Okay, yeah,
Okay, that's good enough.
that's enough.
Then, yeah, I can't really. That's a little over.
And it's okay. It doesn't need to be perfect anyway.
Okay. Now just need to stir it slowly. Okay, I think that's good enough.
Okay.
Just need to add 25 milliliters. Make sure you do it almost or exact. That good?
Exact.
Okay, good.
Now just dump it into your cup. Now just need to mix it
Here, Mikey.
softly.
Softly. You can hold it into your cup and just do this. But not too hard. You have to also touch the bottom. You sure? Okay then.
That's it for this step.
In
So-
this step, we're gonna do the food coloring.
My favorite.
Yes.
And so you will start.
So make sure you do not mix the colors.
With the
Yeah.
pipettes.
That will only happen in your cup because if you mix the color in the pipettes, then everyone's colors will be mixed.
One.
And we're doing 4 drops of food coloring instead of 2 because we want a
2.
better coloring
Yeah.
to defy
3.
it.
And for me, I had to mix each color, but with different pipettes. Like 1, 2 for each.
Okay, now time to put this down.
Here, Mikey.
Okay.
So you just squeeze it and then just do that so I can take some of the ink from it. Okay, that seems like enough. And then you do 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay,
Okay.
now just dump the rest into the bottle.
And just take some of this. Okay, that's good enough.
Okay.
I need some blue too.
Oh, okay.
Okay, that's enough.
For mine, I have to do
1, 2,
1,
1, 2. There. Drop the color back in.
Oh,
Here, you can squeeze. Okay, that's not coming out, is it?
it's okay if it doesn't come out all the way because you can still rinse it.
Yeah. Okay, and
Look at
then
the dye.
time for the mixing.
Yeah, the mixing.
And this is the last and most fun step.
First, you need vinegar up to 20 milliliters.
You guys ready?
Yes.
Yeah. We
Three.
all have to do it at the same
Okay.
time.
Okay,
3,
2,
1.
Oh! Ooh!
Look at that.
Why is mine
Oh.
slow?
I think you just need to put. Did you
Is it
mix it
extra?
all the way?
Down.
Don't. It's
Done.
already flowing. But this is like, it looks like little like mushroom things,
I wanna
except
touch
their
it.
stem is
Should I
fat.
Touch it.
Touch it.
It feels like
Marshmallow?
it's just soap. It's just soap.
Really? Ah. Smells like
And then
soap
do
too.
way more explosive.
I thought it would be like,
Yeah.
and then dripping all over the tray. Like,
This feels so strange.
Oh, the dye's at the bottom.
you can still. Does anyone see? You can still see the dye at the
mix
bottom.
it, mix it, mix it.
Mix it with. Or
Touch the thing.
nothing would
Touch,
really happen.
Touch.
What would happen if we added more vinegar? Would it have had shot up at the cup more? I don't know, but this experiment
needed more
still
vinegar.
fun.
Here, add some vinegar then, if you wanted to.
No, it's already fun.
Okay, we need to wash our hands.
Yeah, wash your hands.
It smells like soap because it had dye.
Everything is soap. Soap. Oh, mine's already fizzing back down.
Yeah, same for mine.
Lily's is still a bit up.
Yeah.
Mine only has like a centimeter of
This is really fun. Here, I'll get a dunk both hands. It's just
washing
soap.
your hands with the elephant toothpaste. You
Stop
know it
putting
has
dye on
dye
your
in
hands.
it?
I know it has dye in it. Super
Okay, guys.
weird. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to do this,
Then there's the link in the description.
Bye.
Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. So we're gonna dump it for fun.
Yeah.
Let's see what happens.
Dump
Yeah,
it, dump
it's
it,
after
dump
the
it,
video.
dump it, dump it, dump it, dump it, dump it, dump it.
Oh, it's happening again.
Put the rest.
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 We made it happen
Easy.
again. Ooh, it's really.
Here,
That's
give
what
me
mine
the
did.
pipe thing. Give me the pipe things. Pipe
What
thing.
pipe thing? Oh wait, these?
Yeah.
Oh wait, I
Pipe
don't
thing.
think.
Where are they? Where are they? Quick. Yeah.
Okay.
It's fizzy. Here. Do it more of that. Let's just take a little.
Okay, got the piping thing.
Wait, hand me
Paste your pipette.
Hand me that. Hand me the baking soda. Hand me it. Okay, I get it. Yeah.
Just
dump
for
it,
fun.
Dump it. Dump it. Dump
Just
it,
for
dump
fun,
it.
don't actually try doing this with the set because you need baking soda for the other thing.
Yes.
okay, I'm gonna dump them.
Wait, Lily, it has what the?
Tiny
Has
kettle.
another lid.
Oh, that was supposed to be from that, I think.
Okay, that's why you don't try ripping it off.
So,
Oh, no wonder you do that.
no, Lily, I know how to open it.
Okay, come on.
Here.
More baking soda.
More baking soda.
More baking soda.
It has a child. Oh yeah, more baking soda. It has a child lock. Come on. Hold on.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
guys, come on.
I'll just put a bit. Okay.
No, I got it.
Okay, you put it.
Don't.
Okay, give me this mixer. Or do I have to do it with my
Mixer.
hand? Fine, I'm gonna use one of this.
That's not how you mix it, but okay. Hold on, can I get a bit of it?
Here, get vinegar. Get the vinegar.
You want vinegar?
Yeah.
Vinegar.
A bubble. Here, can you suck up a bubble?
So you want
Suck a
vinegar,
bubble.
right?
You could suck a bubble and then remake a bubble.
Vinegar. Yeah.
Okay, you want the vinegar? Get the
Yes,
vinegar.
get that vinegar.
Vinegar.
And then get the soap after.
Put the vinegar in there?
It
I
do
did.
something on the sides.
I'm making bubbles.
More vinegar.
Bubbles. Oh wait! Oh, put more. Put more.
More soap. More soap.
No, more vinegar.
Don't waste
Don't waste
it.
the vinegar. If not, put more baking soda.
Okay. I think that's okay.
Put more baking soda.
Don't.
Mixy.
Yes.
Oh, it's overflowing.
Yes.
It's overflowing.
The baking soda experiment.
Get more soap. Get more soap.
Get soap, Mikey.
Get
Get soap. Get soap.
Get the soap.